You know, I know what's wrong. You see, that how what I am to be. I, I like the hills. Yes, in the rock. This whole space, baby too. The how it is. The how it is, because I had to go, because I had to be, I did it, and I was saying, I know. The thing is, I am the captain, and do everything I can. I will if I stay home. I can't do it, but I knew everything was wrong. And sometimes, what, this way forever. And I love, I love my girl. When you do, this is the first place I knew. I just want to let you know. And baby, I just want to say that I need you over here because I want you. I had to go because I had to because I am a man, I know, and so it's kind of like that what I'm saying because baby, Haely, I'm sorry, I can't go. I can't stay home for an hour. I love you, okay? Have a good night, a good year at work, and thank you for all the things. Just for me. Thank you. Okay? Do it for me. Okay? I am coming back home. I promise. Bye.